How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet. And this week, it goes by the name of the Platinum Premier. If you want a quality home built to last, but coming in at a great price, that's a great investment for you in your next tiny home. The Platinum Premier is where the buck stops here. Guys, you look around, this home has everything you need for functionality and room for you and guests to come over to entertain. It starts right here, as you can see, in the kitchen. Nice modern style kitchen right here. You have an island in the middle to separate each room. You got the cooktop, electric stove. You got the microwave right above, all stainless steel. You got plenty of countertop space. What I like about it is that you have your sink over here in the corner with the two windows right here up above to kind of take a good view of your property. And you see we've got plenty of cabinet space all the way around. We got a nice side-by-side refrigerator with the ice in the door, and the nice open concept flows perfectly into your living area, where you see you've got a nice spot to relax and hang out, and you got a nice built-in entertainment center right there where you can mount your flat screen TV up above. Very convenient, bringing in natural light with your clear story windows up above, and you have can lights throughout, so this place will be lit up day or night. This is a great area to do so. And you see right here that it flows perfectly through where you have a nice washer and dryer connection over here to the side. You can do the stackables right there. And what's most important about this home is the size of the bedroom. Guys, the bedroom is where you want to be in this home. You come right through here and you see we've already got a queen size bed in the master. So this shows you how much room you got in this room. You actually have enough space that you can bump it out to a king and still have tons of space in your tiny home. Where do they do that at? I'll tell you, Recreational Resort Cottages, where you can get a king size in your tiny home and still be comfortable. You got built-in drawers in your dresser right here behind you. You've got closets on both sides with bifold doors. Gives you tons of hanging space right there. And you also have a slot in between that you can put another TV in the bedroom. What I like about this floor plan also is that you see we have two entries to the bathroom. This is entry one, straight from your master into the bath. That's closed off by a pocket door. So the cool thing is, if you have any guests over, you can actually close this door and lock your master, and they don't have to come through your master bedroom to go to the bathroom. And guys, we'll come right through here, and you'll see the second entry, which is entry number 2, that will go right into the bathroom as well. And this has a pocket door as well that you can close off. Got nice linen cabinets right here, plenty of cabinets down below, nice storage space, and you have the toilet right here. If you don't know what that is, plenty of people's been asking, or do we do compost? I say in these homes, we make it residential for you. This is a toilet that hooks right into your septic or the city sewer. Perfect, easy peasy. You don't gotta worry about it, guys. And then you got the nice stand-up shower right here with the sliding door as well. Very convenient with the nice window up above. And guys, you come right back out through here, and we'll go right back into the main living area of the home, and you'll see that this, like I said, is the best of both worlds. It's quality built, but coming in at a quality price. This home right here comes standard with hardy board siding, a metal roof. It has Trek decking on the porch with a lifetime warranty, half-inch sheetrock, double thermopane windows, the list goes on, but you're gonna get this home in the mid-40s, guys. Yes, I did not stutter. Mid-40s are what it's coming in right now. And guys, this was a Jamboree special at the moment for that price. It will go up a little bit after the Jamboree because there's going to be a surge in sales, because Mr. Tiny sees the future, and he knows after this video hits online, everybody's going to be blowing up my phone to get one. So guys, get it in right now. Call me, ask for Mr. Tiny, and ask about the Platinum Premier. And I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and we'll see you next time.